What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today real quick I'm going to share with you guys how to generate SMBIOS using a Windows computer. Now why do you need a SMBIOS? The reason you need a SMBIOS basically for any Hackintosh, even a real Mac computer, there is a profile. Like for my Ryzentosh AMD Hackintosh, I'm running iMac Pro 1,1. So that's kind of the profile for this Hackintosh. And also you do need serial number, you do need UUID number, and you need the MLV number in order for your FaceTime, iMessage, and even sometime your App Store to work. Now today I will only show you guys how to generate the SMBIOS, and then we'll confirm with the popper tree. Okay, we'll open the config playlist and we'll confirm. And I'm not going to show you guys any type of installation today. If you guys want to see any type of like Mac OS Catalina installation guide or anything, there will be a link in the video description. I have a couple you guys can watch. Now, if you do like my video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're watching me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. So you do need Gen SMBIOS-master. There will be a link in the video description for all this. And then you need OpenCore. You can use OpenCore 0.55 or 0.56. The only reason we have OpenCore here, basically we just need the config playlist out of these OpenCore, like a sample config playlist. And the popper tree, with popper tree we'll open the config playlist and we'll just confirm the platform info. That's it. Now the first thing you need to download Python. Without Python, Gen SMBIOS not going to work. So let's open our browser and type here Python. So you guys can see I have Python right here, and we can just go to the downloads, and you guys can see here download Python 3.82. so download, run. Alright, we have the Python installer right here. We can close the browser. Okay, so you guys can see here install Python 3.82. now this part is important. You need to add path. Check this. Alright, and now install. Alright, so Python install was successful. We can close this. And now if we open Gen SMBIOS master and go to Gen SMBIOS-master, and now you can see here you don't see like the file type. Okay, you might be wondering where is the .bat, the batch file. You don't know. You can see here type, but you don't see it. Now if that does confuse you, you can just go to view tab right here and then go to option and go to change folder and search option, and then go to view again, and you can see here show hidden files, folders and drives. You can click on this, and then you guys can see here hide extension for known file type. You can uncheck this, apply. Okay, now you can see .bat. Now before we open Gen SMBIOS, we need to open OpenCore folder here, go to docs, and then just copy this sample.playlist and paste it on our desktop, and we can rename this config playlist config. That's it. Now we can close this OpenCore folder. So now we need to open Gen SMBIOS.bat. Alright, so you can see here on the top install update macOS serial. You can just type number 1 here, enter. Alright, done. Okay, now select config.playlist. So let's type here number 2, enter. Now you guys can see the config playlist we have right here on the desktop, the one we copy and paste and we also rename. We can just drag and drop this config playlist here and then press enter. All right, so we have the config playlist here. Okay, now we need to type number 3 and enter. So basically we need to generate SMBIOS. So number 3, enter. All right, so here we need to enter the model of the Mac we're trying to replicate. So let's put this, say iMac Pro 1,1, enter. All right, so basically here you guys can see serial number we have here, and then board serial is the MLV number, and then SMUUID number. So with these, your FaceTime, iMessage, and sometimes if your App Store doesn't work, should work. So we are done here. We can just press enter. All right, and should be saved. So now we can close this batch file, close everything. Okay, so if you guys are not looking to inject your SMBIOS directly to your config playlist, then this method is way simple. You can easily open gen smbios.bat file and then type number 3, so you can generate SMBIOS. So number 3, enter iMac Pro 1,1 and then press enter. And now basically what you can do, you can just select all this, right click, copy, and then open your notepad and just paste it here. And then you can copy the UID number, board serial number, and the serial number to your config playlist manually. Now we'll open property dash master, then property here, open, and now we need to basically open this config playlist and just make sure that whatever we did, it did work. File, open, and desktop, we have the config playlist here, so you guys can see. Now click open. And now let's make this one bigger, minimize everything else, and the only thing we need to open, expand platform info here. All right, so if you look at the platform info right now, you guys can see we have here iMac Pro 1,1, and then we have the system serial number here, and then we have system UUID here, and then we have MLB number is your the board serial number here. So that's it. You can just save if you want, and that should be it, guys. So today, real quick, I just wanted to show you guys how to generate SMBIOS for your Hackintosh computer, and this method should work for Intel and AMD, so don't worry, you can follow this same guide and generate the SMBIOS for your Intel computer or your AMD computer. Now if you do like this video, guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you guys can keep me motivated. See you guys next time. Peace.